Hello, love. This is a grounding practice to create space to stabilize. There's nothing to analyze, uncover, or understand. We're not going inward yet. We're helping the nervous system know where it is now. If at any point you feel distracted, numb, or restless, that's okay. We're simply orienting. Let your eyes gently look around the space you're in and notice three things you can see: colors, shapes, light, or movement. You don't need to name them out loud. Just let your eyes land. This anchors the brain in present time. Now, notice two sounds you can hear: near or far, soft or distinct. Let the sounds come to you. You don't need to listen for anything. Bring attention to one place where your body is in contact with something: the floor, the chair, your clothing, or the air on your skin. Notice the pressure or texture there. If it feels okay, gently press into that surface just a little and then release. This restores agency and choice. Quietly, in your own way, you might say, "Right now, I'm here. Nothing else needs to be true." You can use this kind of grounding anytime: before learning, before reflecting, or when something feels stirred. Understanding comes later. First, we orient. We begin where we are.